really cool here. We're at this fountain show at the island, and it kind of reminds us of
Broadway at the beach?
Yeah, with the water show.
In Myrtle Beach?
Like Beach.
Well, they don't have a water show so much, but they have all these cool restaurants and rides and attractions and stuff like that. Lots of places to spend your money.
Oh,
So if you have excess money and you need to get rid of it because it's piling up and cluttering your house, this is the place to come. First stop,
the island at Pigeon Forge.
So we're here with Riley. It's kind of a cloudy, overcast day. It's supposed to rain off and on.
It's warm right now.
So we thought we'd come over and just walk around and see what's here. And it's a place we can bring Riley. The old iron bridge.
There's Margaritaville Island Hotel.
Yeah, that's neat.
Cool.
It's like a hotel, Margaritaville.
The restaurant on this side.
Oh yeah, I see. Huh, cool. And of course, the Pigeon River.
Or is it the Little Pigeon River?
Maybe it's the Little Pigeon River. Hey, you guys look pretty good. You're yawning, Riley. You're yawning.
Are you having fun yet?
You see me, don't you, honey? Well, say hi. Say hi.
Happy Hawaii.
What'd you find there, Riley?
See, those plants that smell around in Russia.
Are you not afraid of bear?
You sitting on the bear?
Are you bear aware? Hey, this one's pet friendly. Let's go in. Riley, are you in a store?
We're trying to find we're getting hungry, first of all. Trying to find a place that would take dogs. And there's a couple in here, Dick's Last Resort and Mellow Mushroom.
We're going to do Mellow Mushroom.
And I think there was another place, but I forget what it was.
And there's one store that says doggy friendly. We haven't found any other stores.
No, two stores. Two stores that I found, but I'm sure there's probably some other ones. But anyway.
So we're going to go have some pizza.
There we are again.
Ah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Pesto, black olives, and tomatoes. What do you think, Riley? Is that going to work for you? So we came back came back down to the island tonight, have a little dinner, and just walk around, see the lights.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
We wanted to see the lights because we were here in the daytime, and it's really pretty at nighttime.
And this girl came up to Riley. She was about 16, and she tried to pet her. Right?
Did she try and pet you?
And she said, I have a fear of dogs, and she was all she could do to pet her on the head, but she was able to do it. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
She's trying to get over her fear of dogs.
Oh.
So, anyway, it was a really fun time. If you come to this area, make sure you check out the island.
Yeah.
Yep.
And Pigeon Forge.
Hey there.
Hey.
Here we are at the old mill.
The old gristmill.
Yeah. And that's pretty cool.
I don't know why the wheel isn't turning.
Wheel quit turning. It's been turning since 1830, but today it quit.
Must be a reason. But I think it usually does.
Riley, you know why? You want to go in the water? Huh? Yep, Gatlinburg knows how to do tourism.
Yeah, they sure do.
It's like an overwhelming number of things to do and kind of crazy. We're going to try to find a place to park and just walk around a little. We have Riley today, so.
This is called the village. Looks like we're in Switzerland.
Yeah, it does.
Cider mill, and we're going to go in and check it out. They have a store, and they have a winery, and they have guest gifts, and they have a restaurant, so we're just going to go check it out, see what's here. So this is the restaurant over here, and
I imagine they have apple pie, right?
I'm sure they have apple pie, but they have outside seating. Looks real cute. We did have some rain last night, so they're probably not seating yet.
Should we go get married in the gazebo? With this ring, I be wed. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at the apples there. They look yummy. There's apple trees all over that apple orchard.
Oops. Do not take apples. I almost pulled an Adam. Wow, look how shiny the floors are.
Apple raisin sourdough, glazed apple sourdough.
Shrimp Creole, shrimp gumbo, pan fried, deep fried, stir fried.
up in the attic now.
We are.
Oh, look at this. Ice cream. Apple flavored ice cream.
And bake shop. Maybe apple pie and ice cream.
Ooh, bake shop and ice cream. You have caramel apple and apple cinnamon.
There's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp.
And black cherry.
Or black cherry.
Apple walnut fudge.
Apple walnut fudge, that sounds pretty good. Black walnut.
Now look at that. that thing
This is a single scoop.
That thing is huge.
Yeah. And you got the same kind, black cherry.
But I got a kitty cup.
Yeah, I got the fat man's cup.
So here's the Apple Barn Winery.
Hey there, young at heart adventurers.
Hey there.
So this is the last of our Tennessee adventure videos.
It is.
And if you didn't see our other ones, we're going to put a playlist up at the end of this video. But we made videos. We had a great time in Tennessee, right?
We did.
Smoky Mountains.
We're ready to go back again.
We are. So we did a video on Anakeesta. I had to make a list. Cades Cove.
We did Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail.
Yep.
Clingman's Dome in Cherokee.
Yep.
Parrot Mountain. Check
Parrot
that one
Mountain
out.
was pretty cool.
And then we did 2 of the RV parks, Anchor Down and 2 Rivers.
Yep.
I think it's 2 Rivers Landing, actually.
Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we ask you to subscribe because we got more adventures coming, right?
We do.
We've got Myrtle Beach in the fall, which is a great place to be.
Coming up.
And even more fun, we have Disney World
Yay.
and Fort Wilderness. So subscribe so you don't miss those upcoming adventures that will be rolling out over the next few weeks.
And make sure to click that bell so you get notified when we
Oh, yeah,
put
don't
out a
forget
new
the bell.
video.